Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Mirabel from Encanto. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff really helps out the channel a lot. I'd like to say that this is a request from this awesome person right here. So thank you very much for requesting how to draw Mirabel. Alright, so I'm going to get started by drawing Mirabel's eyes. So folks, try your best to follow along with what I'm doing, but it's okay if it doesn't look exactly like what I'm doing. That's totally fine. Alright, so I'm going to start by doing a shape kind of like this. So it's kind of like a upside down U, but we're kind of on a slant on this side here. And then giving it a bottom. And then a circle inside that shape. And then we're going to do another little circle inside that. And another circle. And that last circle we just did, I'm going to color that one in dark. And this area right here, I'm going to thicken this up a little bit, make this area a little bit darker. Almost looks like she's wearing eyeliner. And now we can give it a few little eyelashes. So just a few little strokes and flicks with your pen or your pencil, whatever you're using. Okay. So now from there, I'm going to do another circle. Lots of circles so far. So this is going to be one of her glasses frames. Okay, and now I'm going to do the little piece in between that connects one frame to the other, the little nose piece. And then I'm actually going to do her other eye first before I do the frame of her glasses. Why am I doing that? I don't really know. I just feel like I'd be able to do it better, do her eye better if I do the eye part first instead of the glasses part. I don't think it really matters what order you do any of it in, but I just kind of feel more comfortable doing it this way. Alright, so we're doing it very, very much the same as what we did a moment ago with the other eye. We're making sure that we've got some parts here a little bit thicker. Like I said earlier, almost as if she's wearing eyeliner. It looks like it's darker here. And just give a few little flicks and strokes there for some eyelashes. But nothing too dramatic. Nothing too crazy. And now, instead of having this eye here, this circle in the corner, we're going to put this one here kind of in the middle. Okay, right here. See how this one is kind of on the end in the corner, but this one here isn't. It's more in the middle. And we'll do that circle. And then, of course, another circle. And color that one in dark. Alright, and now I'm going to do the other part of the glasses frame. Okay, just like that. Alright, so next I'm going to do eyebrows. So right up above this glasses frame here, I'm going to give her a thick eyebrow. just like that. And then of course she needs another one too. They're kind of slanting upwards a little bit. Okay, like that. And now a nose. So coming down from the glasses frames, not too far down, we got like a little curved line here. And then a bit of a little, kind of like a U, if you took the letter U and you kind of flattened both edges, but it's still a little bit curved on the bottom. And now another little curve here. We can kind of darken right here and darken right here for 2 nostrils. And we can give her a little smile. So I'm just gonna put like a little stroke there. And give her a little smile. Another little stroke there. And I'm gonna give her a bit of a lip here. Bit of a bottom lip. Like that. And now let's do the sides of her face. Give her a cheek. And a chin. And coming on over to give her another cheek. And let's see, the other side of her face. And we're gonna give her the other part of her glasses. So just 2 little strokes lined here, and I'm gonna do a little shape right there. And now she needs an ear. So I'm gonna start doing a little, just a little shape like this right here. And she's wearing an earring, so I'm gonna do a circle here and a bigger circle underneath it. And then we can do a little funny ear squiggle. If you ever noticed, your ear has some like funny squigglies in it. So that's one of her little ear squiggles. And over here on the other side, we can see part of her earring. So I'll do a big circle there. So that's going to be like the second circle. This part is too small to see it over on this side, but it is there, but we just don't see it. So we don't draw it. Okay, now she has curly hair. So I'm going to do just part of her hairline here and start giving her some curls. So I'm just doing all kinds of little waves and strokes. And her hair is like parted in the middle. See right there? In the middle. So lots of curls. But don't make her hair too long because it's only about like the length of her shoulder. But her hair has a lot of volume, a lot of body to her hair. So I'm gonna kind of make it a little bit flowy here. Some more strokes, lots of hair. Okay, and before I keep going with any more hair, I might put in some more strokes and curls and stuff later, but I'm going to continue on with her first. And we can do a little line here and start working on the neck. And a little line there. And we're coming out now for some shoulders. And we're going to do the collar here on her shirt. And part of her shirt right here has like a little butterfly on it. So I'm going to do like the little body of a butterfly. It's like a little small, kind of like a squat cylinder. And then we can do butterfly wings and one on the other side. And these are actually just done with thread. So just doing all kinds of little strokes here. And now I'll do this part here of her shirt and come on out a little bit. And we're going to do a little curve here and a little curve here. Her whole front part of her shirt is kind of like little like curves, like little U's. So we're going to do a pile of those all the way along the front of her shirt here. Okay, and now let's see. She's got lots of like little details and decorations here. I think there's a rainbow, I believe. We've got like a little rainbow with 2 clouds. So I'll put that in. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you heard that, but my dog is outside my door and she just sneezed. All right, so this part here with all the little U shapes, we're gonna put like a thick line around that, following the shape that we just did, because this part has like a thick black border, we'll say. So when we're going to color that in, this part here goes black. And she's got all kinds of little designs right here. Let's see, let's do some upside down U's as we're going along here. Kind of like a rainbow shape. Like that. And inside each one of these little spots, she's got like a little butterfly shape. She's got so many little details on her clothing. Really, really pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to give her some more curls, give her a few more bits of hair, have it coming down here behind her neck and flowing here a bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna get started on the coloring. Alright, so we are now done our picture of Mirabel from Encanto. So I hope you had fun drawing, I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, bye!